Dumelang bahaeso la moetswe ka diatla tse mofuthu kgasong ena ya ditaba ho DTT empa ha re qale ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
Remember, this Amatole is the area where the Zamazamas, they're actually raping women.
Baahi ba mekhukhu ya Zamimpilo e Rivali ka borwa ho Johannesburg ba re maemo a kgutletse setlwaeding ka mora ho romelwa ha mapolesa.
We've been able to create over 30 jobs within the value chain, from processing up to distribution. But we've also created 15 informal jobs through wild harvesting.
Basadi ba motsaneng wa Gamatlala Ramoshebo Sekhukhune Limpopo ba kotula le ho hlahisa tie e le tsela ya ho iphedisa.
Disappointing now for the girls, for us actually not to finish top, at least keep being Africa champs and keep our ranking.
Dipapading di Proteas di phethetse dipapadi tsa mohope wa lefatshe wa netball di le maemong a botshelela ka mora ho hlolwa ke Uganda ka jeno. Re thakgola semmuso ka ditaba tse reng baahi ba mekhukhu ya Zamimpilo e Rivali ka borwa ho Johannesburg ba re maemo a kgutletse setlwaeding ka mora ho romelwa ha mapolesa o ile ho thibela ho rafa ho seng molaong. Ke barafi ba fetang ba se molaong ba feta 200 ba tshwerweng beke e fetileng ka jeno MMC ya tshireletso ya setjhaba Johannesburg Mqinishwaku o etetse dibakeng tse kotsi tsa dizamazama ho kenyeletsa le Zamimpilo mo le Matholesville e Roodepoort mo ho tshwerweng dizamazama tse ding hape.
Mapodisi a Joburg Metro ka thuso ya foramo ya mapodisi a baagi ba senotse mekhukhu e le sumesupa e o beng ba yona ba iphuagantseng le gore e kaiwa e le mafelo a bosenyi. Mekhukhu eo e a thubiwa. Se ke karolo ya letsholo le le tsweletseng la go ritibatsa maemo mo dikgaolong tse di padimotsweng ke ditiragalo tsa go epa go se mo molaong. Se ke morago ga dintsho tsa beke e fetileng mo go seo se lebegang e le maragana teng a ditlhopha tse di epang go se mo molaong. Baagi kwa Zamimpilo ba re fa tseraganyo e tlisitse tsholofelo ba solofela fa e sa kitla e nna thulaganyo ya nakwana eo e tla khutlang mo nakong e rileng.
Sekungcono okuba nitena afika la emphakathini siyakhona basilale. Besikade singalali sihlukumezeka ngo6 kuthe masihambe siyolala ngabaphathi bendawo.
Abo 5 bofanele sokwendlini Khalisbham. Ngoku mangibheka ngendlela enenza ngayo la emkhukhwini kuzathuleka sakhona ukuhamba ngabo 7 ngoba bothi yothenga uparafin ungasaphuma endlini ulalulambile.
Molekgotla wa selegae a re tharabololo ya leruri mo kgaolong ke fa baagi ba Zamimpilo ba ka furisediwa kwa lefelong le lengwe.
Our long-term solution, it's not for safety for police to be permanently here. Our long-term solution is that human settlement must come in and move those people who are qualifying to have RTPs to your flare-off, to your whole grant project.
Letsholo le le kgethegileng le tsweletse kwa Roodepoort kwa mapodisi a Metro a tshwereng baepi ba ba seng mo molaong le go gapa rifle e le nngwe.
I knew that the operation here is Amatoleville because our intelligence gathering has been pointing us here. And we heard that there are actually guns that have actually been stored here. And because remember, this Amatole is the area where the Zamazamas, they're actually raping women. They take women and they go up into the mountain, as you can see there.
MMC a re go tlile go tlhamiwa lephata le lešwa mo mapodising a Metro le le tla samaganang le gareng ga tse dingwe bosenyi ba go epa go se mo molaong. Offense Timo, SABC News, Johannesburg.
Le khotla le phameng la dinyewe la Cape Town le file khampani ya dibese ya Golden Arrow lengolo la taelo ya khotla le thibela megatwa ditekesi ho fehla merusu lo etsa ditshoso.
Le khotla la dinyewe le ile la fana ka lengolo la taelo ya khotla ka potlako ka morao thungwa le ho ntshwa dikotsi ha mogani wa bese le ho tjhiswa dibese tse ding tse tsheletseng.
The taxi associations that operate in the Cape Town metropole area are restrained from intimidating, threatening, harassing, or in any way interfering with Golden Arrow's operations throughout Cape Town.
Liqwetha la Santaco le re ba tla tshwela ka mathi diketso tse ntseng di tswela pele tsa dikgoka tse amahangwang le setraeke sa industry ya ditekesi.
Violence that was perpetrated was not Santaco members, but protesters that latched onto the stay away and strike. As you as the general public is aware, they peacefully demonstrated.
Boetapele ba Santaco bo boetse ba ba le kopano ka jeno seng ho ile ho fana ka sephetho sa ditlhoko tsa mmuso.
There were things called minor offenses and serious offenses, but it was just examples of those. So we want those to be very clear and be on paper, so that when we go to our members, we can go with something that is very clear.
Mahlakore ohle a ka sehlong industry ya ditekesi ya Western Cape a tsheditse boipelaetso ba matsatsi a tshiletseng a ditekesi. Ditseko tsa industry ena di kenyeletsa dikotlo tseo masepala wa Cape Town o fanang ka tsona le ho hapa ditekesi le ha di na le diphoso tse fokolang.
Baahi ba tshwenyehileng ba Mamahabane, Ventersburg, provinseng ya Free State, ba ipopile ngatana nngwe le mekga ya dipolotiki boipiletsong ba hore molaodi wa seteišene sa sepolesa a itokolle mosebetsing. Ba mo qosa ka kgethollo ya morabe le hore o dukile dikamano pakeng tsa bona le sepolesa.
Baahi ba tsheheditswe ke mekga ya dipolotiki ba halefile. Ba re ha ba kgotsofala mabapi le seo ba reng ke ketso tsa kgethollo ya merabe. Mme ba re boitshwaro ba molaodi wa seteišene sa sepolesa sa lehae ha bo botle. Tlaleho ya bona e toboketswa ke kgatiso ya video e bonahetseng dikgokahanyong tsa setjhaba.
Re tlile mo re thotse tshedimosetso ka taba ya hore hona le meda o etsahetseng ko polasing hona kwano ka go Ventersburg mo e loreng rapolasi o suspectwa e le ena mmolai mo.
Re batla etsa bonnete ba hore motsamaisi wa sepolesa stationeng sena sa Ventersburg o a tloswa mosebetsing hobane ke setshosa o setjhaba sa tlamehileng a sebeletse ha sebeletse setjhaba ka toka wa kgetha merabe.
Baahi ba tseka hore molaodi wa seteišene sena sa sepolesa a tloswe.
Ho sa ke etela setjhaba sena pele ditletlebo tsa bona ba di tlisa ho nna ka re o motse ke tla mona ke ba thuse ke bene le tshebedisano mo le di-station commissioner mare yona ena kwa mohlola.
Ana le bothata haholo ka ntate Odindala. Ntate Odindala ha re sebetse hantle. Ha hona next ntho e lokang ka hara Mamahabane ka ntate Odindala ne. Even if la re tla ka tokopa thuso police station ha hona ntho e etsahalang.
Ho ya ka baahi ha e sa le boemo bona bo ntse bo tswela pele ka nako e telele. Ba re molaodi wa seteišene o iketsetsa boithatelo ebile ha tsotelle molao.
Le nna jwalo ka molekgotla wa motswang Mamahabane le Ventersburg ka bophara. Station commander se tswa go mbolella hore ha ke le councilor la hae. Ho bontshang hore o na le kgethollo e kgolo haholo.
Bolaodi bo ikemetseng bo fuputsang sepolesa IPIT bo gakotse diphuputso. Ka hlakoreng le leng sepolesa se kgethile sehlopha sa mapolesa a ka sehlohong ho batlisisa taba tsena. Mokomishenara wa provinsi wa sepolesa Baile Motswenyane o re taba ena e tla potlakelwa. Konelo le Khafola, ditaba tsa SABC, Ventersburg.
Letona la motlakase ngaka go sientso ra mokgopa le re naha e motjheng o nepaetseng wa ho boloka tshepiso ya ona malebana le leano la naha la energy. O buile sena a le Pretoria. Ho ya ka letona la motlakase go kgawa ho rerilweng ha motlakase ho dutse palong ya 2888 eo a reng e phahame ka 300 megawatts ho feta tshepiso e nenyentsweng. Ramokgopa a re ba leka ka hohle hohle ho etsa bonnete ba hore bana le sekgahla sa tshebediso ya motlakase se ka tlasa taolo.
In the past week we also had a cold spell. It averaged about 30,633 megawatts. And of course, we're able to maintain a combination of stage 1, stage 3 for most part of the week. And that is largely in part as a result of the work that we are doing to make the capacity available to bring down the degree and the rate at which these units are failing. And of course, just toning down a bit on planned outages so that we have a maximum amount of generation capacity available to deal with the peak demand that we have experienced. Again, just to congratulate the team on that. Of course, it's still not sufficient. We want to go to a space where, of course, we're keeping to significantly lower levels of load shedding intensity during the peak. But in the context of what has been our outlook, I think the team has has done.
Ramokgopa o re kimollo ya motlakase e santse e hloka tlhokomelo e batsi.
Outage slips means that we make the promise to return the units on a particular date, and we fail to meet our own promise. A function of planning, the team is doing everything possible to improve that area. Much early, around May, April, this number was sitting at about 2,900 megawatts. So now, the past week, we're at about 2,045. But I think there was a period in winter, in June in particular, where this figure was at about 1,330. So it does show that we do have the capacity, the know-how to bring it down. And as we bring it down, those megawatts will get to be accounted for in the available capacity, and then we're able to reduce the intensity of load shedding.
Letono la motlakase le re Afrika Borwa e amoela 400 megawatts ho tswa Mozambique. Ka Phupjane mmuso o ile wa etsa qeto ya hore Eskom e lokela ho reka motlakase ho tswa dinaheng tsa boahelani tsa borwa ba Afrika tse kang Botswana le Zambia ka tlhophiso ya Southern African Power Pool. Ntjhafatsong ya yona ya moraorao, Eskom e re beke e ntjha e tla qala ka mokgahlelo wa boraro wa kimollo ya motlakase hosane o nto thohela ho wa pele ebe ba o nyolohela ho wa bone bosiu. Moikgaso ya ditaba ntse e tswela pele ho SABC 2. Nakong ena yo seboka sa selemo le selemo sa PAC se ntseng se atamela barumuwa ba kopile hore ba behe ka sehloho maano a mokga ditherisanong tsa bona.
Ntlhakemo ya kgapo ya mobu Afrika Borwa ke ya tse ding tseo PAC e tlang ho di sekaseka sebokeng sa yona sa selemo le selemo.
We need a clear policy that when we get land, what are we going to do about it? The how part of the land must be a PAC resolution. It must be a conference resolution.
Nyontsho o re leeto la bona la o le ba dikgethong tsa Isao le tla simolla ka seboka sa mokga sa maano.
You see, this thing of talking about land, talk about everything. You live here in South Africa.
Nakong ya seboka sa mokga se bileng Gauteng, Nyontsho o ile a botswa ka ntlhakemo ya mokga maanong a dinaha tsa matjhaba le ka baratani ba bong bo tshwanang.
I was asked by an SABC journalist about PAC positions on gays and lesbians. And whatever I said was my position, not the PAC position.
Barumuwa ba tla fuwa dikarabo nakong ya seboka sa mokga sa maano se tla ba Durban KwaZulu-Natal moraonyana kgweding ena.
Batsamaisi ba mekgatlo e setseng phaello provinseng ya North West ba re kgello ya matlole e ba thatafaletsa ho etsa mosebetsi wa bona wa ho thusa setjhaba. O mong wa mekgatlo ena ke Break the Silence GBV Center o thusa mahlatsipa a tlhekefetso ya bong.
Break the Silence GBV Center ke nngwe ya mekgatlo e sa direng letseno kwa Kanana gaufi le Orkney. E ngongorega ka gore lefapha la tlhabololo loago mo North West le felelwa ke matlole ya go thusa mekgatlo e sa direng letseno pele ngwaga wa ditšhelete fela.
Ko counseling ba re ha bana budget ya rona di NGOs, and then go social development le teng ba raise ba nne le funding, so re ikitlela re etsa di door to door.
Mekgatlo e mentsi e sa direng letseno e latofatsa puso ka go retelelwa ke go diragatsa maikarabelo a yona a go tlhabolola loago.
Ko bo dikolong gae re bua le bana ba re bolele gore di-challenge tsa bone ke eng, ba ba sokolang re tse mabitso a bona re ba kwadise re itse gore nako re setse re le sharp re na le list ya bana ba kaofela ba
bothata bo teng mo Kanana ba bana ba sokolang mme ntse re ba thusa jwa.
Lefapha la tlhabololo loago le ganela ditatofatso tsa gore le golela mekgatlo e sa direng letseno maikarabelo a lona.
Ka gale ditheo tse di dirisana ga mmogo le lefapha la tlhabololo loago go raba dikgwetlho tse di tlhagelelang mo loago, mme se ga se re gore lefapha la rona le tlogetse maikarabelo a lone go ana le MPO. Seo ga se nnete, re dirisa molao wa MPO Act o re netefaletsang gore ditheo tse e dirisa semmuso go di kgone go dirisana le puso.
Lefapha le tlhalosa gore dikopo tsa tlamelo ya matlole tsa monongwaga di tla bulelwa ka Lwetse. Ditebogo Phakedi mo Kanana.
Sehlopha sa basadi ba motsaneng wa Gamatlala Ramoshebo Sekhukhune provinseng ya Limpopo se kotula le ho hlahisa tee eo e leng ya sona. Basadi bana ba qadile ho etsa tee ka 2016 molemong wa ho phedisa malapa a bona.
Morero ona wa hore basadi bana ba hlahise tee o tlile hang ka mora hore ba tsebiswe ka tee e bitswang ka hore ke dia.
Ka be ke ba rela ke re tla re hireng twe ke tee.
Alega go gana mara ka re tla re dire awa ba se khigolo ba modimo a se ke ba gana ba ntatela ra khona go dira tie ra bona re fele re khatla wa re tshebe re dira bopiri sefa re be re go dira.
Khampane ena ya setsong e se hirile basadi ba balwang ka hodimo ho 40 ho tswa Gauteng le Limpopo.
We've been able to create over 30 jobs within the value chain, from processing up to distribution. But we've also created 15 informal jobs through wild harvesting.
Tie ena e ntswe motsaneng wa Gamatlala e se tla fumaneha mabenkeleng a maholo phatlalla le naha.
We're currently embarking on a journey to supply 32 Food Lovers Market outlets.
Basadi bana ba qadile ho jala tie ho enngwe ya dipolasi tsa motse molemong wa hore tie e se felle bareki.
So the first one is red root tea, which it has been very easy because it grows like a sweet potato. So it was a matter of just migrating it from where it's growing and expand it on the given hectare that we have in our farm.
Ditho tsa khampane ena di re di dipuisanong le dikhampane tsa America hore di tsamaise tie ya tsona.
Afrika Borwa e tswile maemong a botshelela dipapading tsa mohope wa lefatshe wa netball ka morao hlolwa ke Uganda ka 49-47 ha Uganda e fumane maemo a bohlano. Ha re boneng papadi ena ya Afrika Borwa le Uganda hore na e tsamaile jwang.
Papadi ya di-play-off go lwanela maemo a bohlano ke mo ho ne ho tlo hlaga hore ke sehlopha sefeng se tlang ho nka maemo a pele papading ya netball Afrika. Uganda ile ya itlhoma pele papadi e sa tswa qala empa di-Proteas di ile tsa lwana kotareng ya bobedi moo di ileng tsa lekanya dintla ho ba tse 23 sehlopha. Empa la le jwale Uganda ile ya hapa kotara ya boraro ka 16-14. E kene kotareng ya bone e ntse e le pele moo di-Proteas di ne di lelekisa dintlha tse 49 tsa Uganda.
Oh, this is so disappointing. There's a few times where we spoke about we want to take the drives and probably fake the ball on that, when they come hard and play elsewhere. I think we get caught a few times where we actually played to their hands. But I have to say credit to Uganda. They kept position so well. I've never seen a match like this. If you keep position, you can win the game. So really good to them.
Uganda e qala fumana maemo a hodimo dipapading tsa mohope wa lefatshe mo e sulafalleditse ma Afrika Borwa monate empa la le jwalo maemo a botshelela e ntse e le katleho sehlopheng sa lapeng.
I think the World Cup was just fantastic. Disappointing now for the girls, for us actually not to finish top, at least keeping Africa champs and keep our ranking. But I really think South Africa and everything that's happened here throughout the World Cup, it's been really fantastic. The crowd coming out in numbers, we have to really thank them so much because they've been here with us since day one, even today. So really good, World Cup. I'm hoping that everyone really enjoyed it.
Mohope wa netball o bile le kgohedi ho ma Afrika Borwa mme o bontshitse ka moo batjha ba ikitaditseng ka teng papading ya netball.
Dipapadi tsena tsa mohope wa lefatshe wa netball di a fela ka jeno mme makgaolakgang a pakeng tsa Australia le England. Papadi e ntse e tswela pele ha re boneng hore e ntse e tsamaya jwang.
Some miscommunication between Wood and Conan. The ball just gets a little bit loose. England Roses making them pay on that transition. Body's starting to hit the ground here. We haven't even hit the quarter time break, but there's some smiles.
Yeah, listen, it's quite intense out there. Lots at stake. Diamonds looking to secure and finish what they call unfinished business with a gold medal. But the Roses as well motivated, by another record-breaking moment if they do walk away with the result. So a lot at stake in this final.
Graham Williams coming on straight away, making those goalers, making Wood and Conan work that a little bit. Oh, here she goes again. The roll-off, the mentor roll-off done by Williams.
Oh, we spoke about her, just blown away, but her contribution and how quickly she gets into the thick of things. But unfortunately, that last one slightly overcooked.
See Helen Houseby saying, calm down, guys. We've got the ball. We need to just secure it. When we get it, be calm. Have forward options. See her signalling with her hands. That's all right. We've got this.
And it's a long way to go in this game. 60 minutes of play.
just coming up to the end of the first quarter, but that's it, Maddie. It's just settling when you get ball in hand, because you know your teammates are there, you know that someone's going to pop free. Don't let that blood rush to your head.
Oh, there's Steph Wood getting in the mix of things. Very creative. And lovely finish then for the Diamonds. 12 goals versus 10 of England. And Pamela, I mean, looking at the Roses to start, how well, would you benchmark them in terms of their aspirations? Having been there yourself and knowing exactly what the standard, what the blueprint is for the Roses side.
Oh, well, this team have just done such a fabulous job. Imogen Allison right there to be backing up to take that ball. They've already made history coming into this final, but I know that they are looking for more and they are going for this gold medal. The way that they weathered that storm where Australia took kind of the lead earlier on, but they didn't let that phase them. They kept to those structures. That impact change from Fran Williams coming on at goal defence, they've been doing it all tournament, and so they're used to different players coming on at different times doing the same job that's needed.
That feed looking a little bit hard to get in. Bruce getting the tip over the top. Weston, there's another tip. The Diamonds defenders looks like they're close to getting a turnover here. Rose is trying every bit of using the ball to try and find the correct path to post.
Yeah, they just keep turning up that heat in that defensive circle. It's a great partnership and understanding between Bruce and Weston. But this time around, the Roses equalized 12 goals apiece, and they've got the centre pass. And here's an opportunity for them to take the lead. Just 45 seconds remaining to the end of the quarter.
Jo Weston coming through. She'd been wearing Housby for a while, just waiting for that moment. Housby just stopping her full work. Weston coming through with the tip and the pick up. Steph Wood converts. That's the Diamonds' way.
Oh, too good are the Diamond defenders. Just continuously turning the pressure up, and unfortunately, an error of judgment there. Forgot that Courtney Bruce can't get over the transverse line, and the Roses capitalizing on that.
And they score. We are level. How's the pressure by Helen Housby?
Absolutely brilliant stuff. 13 goals apiece at the end of the first quarter, certainly living up to the expectations.
Kaizer Chiefs le Chippa United di butse sehla sa DStv Premiership ka noto sehlopha Moses Mabhida Stadium Thapameng ena. Chiefs e na le mokwetlisi e motjha e le Molefintseki, mme balatedi ba sehlopha ba lebeletse o bona diphetoho papading ya sehlopha sehleng sena. Amakhosi tla boela yetela Mamelodi Sundowns ka laboraro. Moyo ka boela o fumana ditaba tsa rona ho YouTube ka SABC Ditaba-Dikgang. Facebook account ya rona ke Ditaba-Dikgang _ attitude ya rona ke @Ditaba_Dikgang. Atho ka boela wa romela video ya WhatsApp e sa feteng 30 seconds ho 078 54 459 0881. Ba iso moifo ditaba tsa Sesotho o entse o lekane phirimaneng ena boela o kopane le ona hape nakong e tlang. Ditaba tsa Setswana o tla boela o di fumana ho SABC2 le ho di TT ka hora ya borobedi ho Sane Thapama. Bolepi boela tela ke o taba.